the order of operation of expressions. Okay, so this is our first question. Now let's look at our second question over here. Our second question asks us, how would we calculate the cosine of 3 pi over 2? The answer is quite simple. We just use the unit circle. So here we have a unit circle. Let's draw a unit circle. And here we have the x-axis and the y-axis. We know that angles in the unit circle starts from over here. And we know that this is pi over 2, 90 degrees. This is pi, which is 100 degrees. And this is another 90 degrees, which is 3 pi over 2. So the angle over here is 3 pi over 2. And the angle would be right over here. So this is actually a special case because this is on the axis. We also know that the coordinates of the x and y coordinates on this axis, it's 0, -1. This is the xy coordinates on this specific point over here because it's the unit circle, which means the radius is just 1. Actually, let's just draw the circle here. I'm really bad at drawing circle, but basically the radius of this circle is 1, and it's a really regular circle, although my drawing might not be as regular as I like it to be. So yes, you know what, let's just label out all the other coordinates as well. This is 0, or I'm sorry, this is 1, 0, where x is 1 and y is 0. You know what, let's put, so this is x, and this is 1, 0. Over here it is 0, 1. Over here it is -1, 0. Cool. So we also know that in the unit circle, the value of x's is actually the same as the values of the cosines. Since the value of x's over here on the unit circle is 0, this is 0 at 3 pi over 2 radians. We know that the value of cosine is also 0 at 3 pi over 2 radians. So the value of cosine of 3 pi over 2 is just equals to 0. And this is how we arrive at our answer based on our information about the unit circle. Obviously, you can just also memorize the basic angles, but personally, I think it's much easier to use the unit circle to quickly think about it, and to use special triangles to quickly think about it for the cases of other more other common angles. But of course, you can just memorize it as well. Just personally, I don't like memorization as much as reason through my way. Okay, so this is how we found the cosine of 3 pi over 2. Let's look at the sample solution here. Yes, the sample solution also said that we should consider the geometric circle, assuming they meant the unit circle, because it is the special circle. And here they also had all the angles, all the values of commonly seen angles listed over here. It's quite comprehensive actually. But again, I don't like memorizing this whole table. And they have like kind of a pattern, so using special triangles and using like special triangles and the unit circle to arrive at the answers, it's so much easier than memorizing this entire table. But this solution is correct, so let's just say the solution is correct. Nicely done. Now let's move on to our third problem.